Hi guys, my name's Doug. Welcome to My Messy Garage. In this week's video, we're going to see how to plow an ice road using a four-wheeler and side-by-side. The winter of 2021 has created almost ideal conditions for creating ice roads. We've had probably about a month of absolutely frigid temperatures and not a whole lot of snow. There's only about 8 inches of snow on the ice. So you can see the guys here running back and forth, not really using their plows a whole lot. The idea here is just to break up the snow on the surface. Even still, you can see the machines are getting tossed around a little bit, not necessarily going in a straight line. Early in the year, we had some slush come up in this bay, and definitely that is affecting how the side-by-side and four-wheeler are tracking through the snow. Here we can see the side-by-side has started to lower the plow, starting to dig in a little bit there, and the frozen slush underneath is kind of throwing the machine around a little bit, but we are starting to get some snow moved out of the way. Here you'll notice that the four-wheeler has a slightly different style plow on it. This is what we call a county plow, and it's designed to throw the snow off to the side. Good for winging out banks, and does a very nice job, all things considered, plowing snow on the ice. You can see here that the side-by-side is having to do quite a bit of counter steering to go relatively straight down the road that we're plowing. The blade, of course, is quite a bit wider on the side-by-side than it is on the four-wheeler, bigger machine. But this one is also uniform height all the way across. It's not a county plow. It's kind of designed for pushing straight ahead. It does have a manual angle so you can push side to side, and we do have this one cranked over as far as it'll go to the right. But it is throwing the side-by-side around a little bit more than the county plow does on the four-wheeler. The choke point that we can see here on the ice road is created by early season slush that's frozen underneath the snow. We were eventually able to get this to work back, so the road is relatively straight and wide enough that two vehicles can pass on most of it. Here the road's almost in its finished state. Guys will make a few more passes. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. If you didn't enjoy this video, leave me a comment. Let me know what I can do better next time. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. For more great content from Doug's Messy Garage, click on one of the videos that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching.